Hello everyone, welcome to Webot Academy. So in this tutorial, we'll be learning how to create the condition where if the user is logged in, then he will be able to see all the screens of the Flutter application. And if the user is not logged in, then he will be taken to the login screen at first. So let's get started. The first thing which we will be doing is to go to our Flutter app, and in our home.dart file, here we will create one condition inside get user info function. All right, so here let me replace the user email variable to username here as well. And now we will write if username dot empty. In that case, we will be if the username is empty, then we will redirect the user to our login screen. Okay, so let me open the login screen. So here we have used that same logic. Let me copy the navigator.push this code and we will paste it over here. And now we will redirect the user to our login screen. All right, and else if the user is logged in, then we will set his username. I think we made some mistake. Okay. And that's all. Let me go to code, and then here we will click on auto indent line. Okay, now it's looking good. So let me click on logout button. Oops, it's not working. So the problem is with our logout screen. Okay, so in our logout screen we have removed the email and the password, but we have not removed the username. So we have to remove the username as well. I have to go to login screen and I need to check the username variable. So username, we will paste it over here, and I will also be removing the user ID, all the four values from here. Okay, now if I just go here and click on logout, now I'm able to see that since I am not logged in, so it is taking me to our login screen. I'll do one more thing here. I will now be calling the home screen. And if I click on this button, I'll be able to see that the home screen is trying to get loaded, but unfortunately, as our condition is working fine, so our condition is redirecting the user to the login screen at first. My app is telling me that you have to log into your account at first, and then you will be able to use this application. So let me open it and then log in. @webotapp.com and 1 2 3. Okay, so now I'm able to see that as I have logged in into our system, so I can see I'm able to use this application. Now if I just click on restart button, it will directly take me to our login screen. Not login screen, our dashboard screen or the home screen, as I am already logged in. But if I logged out from here, and now if I just click on the reset button, it will again take me to the login screen. Let me try with another username, webotapp.com, and then 1 2 3 login. think we have done some mistake with our username and password, then login. Now I can see that I'm able to log in into our system with the same credentials. Okay, so in the next video we will take the logout button from this position to the extreme right position so that it looks a bit good. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe this channel for more updates.